Here we're finishing the shoe. First we undo that wrapped around stitch that we'd started with and bring it to the inside of the shoe. Now I'm going to stitch these, overlap these stitches for 2, just like we did on the other side, and fold them in, pull tight, then the last stitch, fold that, pull it tight. Now there's my last stitch, and I will now tie a double square knot in here and hide the ends under, as we've done every time that we end our stitching. So there's half of the knot. Now the other half. And then I'll run those 2 ends under. Now the only thing left to do is pull the elastic through the channels.